My favorite time to come out to the garden is when it's raining. Everything looks so alive and overgrown, but alive. Oops, definitely gotta change that. There's a mountain apple next to a Milo, loquat in a pot, lemongrass at the base, lamwa banana, sweet potato, pumpkin, squash up on the fence, wild tomato. This squash didn't even mature and it started to rot. Poor hina hina, vili vili. Oh, excuse me, spider. You should go on this side. Yeah. Lima beans going off again. I harvested a bunch of corn that we ate last night. Gotta cut it down and replant. Ulu. There's a Kang Star Peach Star Kissed. No fruit right now, no peppers. Got this stinky squash vine growing all over it too. Stinky vine, but yummy fruit, yummy plant. Got a mother of all peppers here, Chile tepin. I'll harvest those bright red ones. Got ube. Got some garlic chives, vetiver grass, green onion, Thai dragon, pepper plant, but I gotta take the weeds out of the pot. Nioi, purple UFO, sunrise bumblebee tomato. Things are going off over here. This is one of my favorite peppers. I'm glad I kept it. This is a Kang Star White Thai Revert. Weed pot. Potweed. Look at all these purple peppers. This one's my favorite. This one's doing the best. I got a ripe one down there, but looks like it's been eaten from the top down. Again. Back there is a, what was that one? I can't remember, but the plant is just huge. Let's go look at it. My green onions keep leaning toward the sun, so they point right into the pathway. My variegated, I can't think of the name right now. Shoot, Schefflera. Oh, this thing filled up since yesterday. That's awesome. So good old rainwater. Yeah, look at that plant. It's huge. It might kukui for when the next baby is teething. And an avocado seedling. Okay, let me close this thing. And get under that big pepper plant. Ugh. I can't remember what it's called. Caramo primotali. Look at this. Look at this beautiful plant. Oh, my strawberries fell over. Prop that up. White pineapple. I love my garden. I got some vanilla there, and I even have a variegated vanilla. Hold on. I got the regular vanilla, the variegated. It's throwing roots out, so it's still going good. And then I stuck a vanilla plant, vanilla vine at the base of the mango tree. It'll keep it nice and moist. And hopefully it'll grow up the mango tree. It's been there for a few weeks now. It's doing really good. This is a KS White Thai Revert, but it's been in the shade, so it's not super stoked. This is Pololu Kalo. That is, oh, man. Well, they're alocasias, but I can't, it's, velvet, no, I can't remember. I'm drawing blanks with the names. And of course, we have to have aloe. That's my polka dot begonia. Another alocasia. I got a few of the alocasias. I love alocasias. Oh, that's Olena. Oh, that might be Avapuhi. This avocado is the one that tastes really good. It's not the butter. Of course, this faded, but it's big seed, everything, but it like the avocado fruit itself, the meat is so buttery. This is my mosquito trap. That'll kill all the larvae. My basil fell over, but yeah. I love this garden. I just have to clean it. Oh, that's a peachadoo pepper plant in that pot right there. cilantro that went to seed. I have a bunch of seeds if it dries out okay. Maybe I should clip it and hang it in a dry area. Torch ginger. Another mountain apple in the white pot with the cilantro. Should probably give somebody the pot, the plant. Oh, hey, my avocos were in the pot. They pushed it off this metal thing. That's to protect Jackson so he doesn't fall on the pipe. We got Olena, Avapuhi, giant key. Major variegation on that one. This is another one. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Gosh. Oh, that's A'ali'i. I was trying to make a little colorful hedge going on here. That's white pineapple too. But something's eating the A'ali'i. I'm hoping it's a native insect. One of my favorite things ever. Right there. Look at that. Got some oregano. Gotta trim it. This kind of rosemary. This one is the one I like in the food. I'm glad it's strong still. This one is like super aromatic. That other one back there isn't as aromatic. Evidence of a toddler. Evidence of a little boy. Look at all that. She just cleaned all this. Oh. And a big green onion. A little green onion. Some chives. More green onion. Genovese basil. Hawaiian chili pepper. Got another Hawaiian chili pepper and some green onion. Got a bunch of nioi over here from when I moved the dirt. All that. Oh, I just remembered I gotta send my cousin some seeds. I don't know. It's kind of been a long time. Got some zinnias popping up again next to the roses.